Welcome to the channel Quiz Cubs. Today we have a super exciting task for you. Get ready to strain your knowledge about superheroes because we are playing Guess the Superhero by Animals. Okay guys, let's move on to our first round. Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, Iron Man, Captain America, Hulk, Thor. You guessed right. Black Widow. Wolverine. The Flash or Green Lantern. Aquaman. Doctor Strange. Deadpool. Wow, you guys are the experts on superheroes. I hope you had as much fun playing Guess the Superhero by Animals as we did. Thank you for coming to the end. How many correct answers do you have? Write in the comments.